What's up, everyone? Long time. So, got some news today while I was at work that Unreal Engine 5 Early Access had released for the public. So I took the liberty of downloading it from here, the UE5 tab, and then it started downloading auto-magically. So here we go. Let's check it out. It's the first time I've ever run it. I know very little about it. I've read some things, but I haven't gotten too deep into the weeds. Okay, so we've got, it looks like we can pull in Unreal Engine 4 files, so that's interesting. You can convert them. Let's try a third person. Okay, we'll stick with Blueprint. Desktop. Yeah, we'll do maximum quality. We'll go ahead and include the starter content, and I'm sorry I don't have an awesome video card, so I'm going to leave ray tracing off. I'm going to throw this into a throwaway folder. Test project. I have a lot of test projects. Okay, new UE5 test. Alright, there we go. Save that there. I'm going to call that the same. Okay, creating. I can already tell right off the bat it's faster. Okay. So, looking around, seems intuitive. Okay. Not seeing a huge difference yet. Content drawer. Control and space. Summon the content browser in collapsible drawer. Okay, so control, space. Ooh, that's cool, man. Control space, close it. Now that is cool. I like that. Okay, you know, let's go ahead and just play it. Let's see if anything sticks out. Anything different? Okay, maybe there's like a showcase level or something, huh? I'm gonna pause it real fast, and I'm gonna look for some kind of showcase. Okay, it seems that Epic has read my mind, and I'm sure many others. There is a sample project showcases that we can use. Let's check it out. Get the sample. Okay, now it's asking where to save it, so we'll just choose. I'm going to put it in the same place. I'll go ahead and name this UE5 Showcase Test. Okay, and select that. Yeah, what's this here? I'm going to get rid of this extra subfolder. Okay, and I'm going to call this test. Oh, didn't like that. Control Z. I'll just leave it. It isn't. No one's yelling at me. Okay, do this. Create that. Alright. So that should be downloading. I'm going to pause it while it's doing that. Oh wow, so this is 100 gigs. Oh my god, this is going to be quite the showcase. Alright, here we are. It's been an hour. Woohoo. Oh my god, it finally finished. Okay, let's create a project. First, by finding some room. Oh, how much space do I even? I'll put it on data. I guess it doesn't really matter. It should do. Okay, select. I think that's. Whoa, directory must be empty. Oh, maybe don't put it there. Okay. Let's do new. Showcase. Showcase test. Actually, showcase test. And I'll do UE5 so I can look at it. So future me knows what it is. Without also taking a lot of characters. I don't like long names. Alright, so select. And I think it gets a little funky when you change the name of them for some reason. It must be something with the new version. It's all good. Get that. That's a little overkill. And let's create. Okay. I'm going to pause that while it's doing it because assuming by the size of this cache content, the project is going to be absolutely enormous. Okay, so it just finished, and I just realized that I did double work. So essentially, I started recording this yesterday, last night, and it was late. I had to get up early. So when I created that first project, it was downloading, and then it created. So here's the original, here's the new one. We'll just open the new one, pretend like I didn't just waste 10 minutes of my life. So let's check it out. So while that's opening, Valley of the Ancient is like the pinnacle of UE4's development. It's like the I guess the guinea pig, if you will. Let's see how fast and efficient it is in real time. Okay, so I'm probably not going to be able to get this to play very well. This is what's recommended. To run the demo, you will need the following specs. 1080 AMD RX Vega 64 higher with 8 gigs of RAM, 32 gig RAM system. Recommended specs for 30 frames per second. Okay, so I fall somewhere in here-ish because I have 32 gigs of RAM and I do have a 12-core CPU, but my video card is actually a GTX 1660. Well, let's just see what happens. Okay, so let's play. This is all in real time. Oh, okay, so this is what they mean. This is... I'm not seeing a whole lot going on here. Wow. Okay. So that is weird. Wow. I guess I really don't have enough power. Interesting. Okay. Do we remember what that command was? Oh, here it is. Okay. Let's look at the maps. Ancient World, Megascans Asset Zoo, and start up. This must be the start. Oh yeah, it's a startup. Let's go in here. See if there's something being overlooked. Well, there you have it. I hope that's not the case, but really you need some serious hardware to take advantage of this, a lot of the new stuff. But I wonder exactly what it is that's stopping. Well, let's just see. I'm going to pause it while it loads. Okay, so the level loaded. It looks pretty. This is in real time.
Daddy?
Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Oh, my son came in. Alright, let's check this out. See how it looks in real time. Okay, so just for clarification, my architecture is an AMD. Oh, here we go. I'll tell you after this one. I'm distracted. Okay, drone. I just clicked on the drone button. Oh, now we're a drone. Neat. Okay, so... Whoa, I'm getting dizzy. Okay. Apparently I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just go back, return. Okay, move. Sure. Let's do it. Oh. Okay, so here's the movement system. Let's see how the IK looks. Is there any IK? Yeah, looks like it. It's pretty good, I think. What's this? All right, I'm gonna hit F11 and make it big screen. Interact. Okay. Takes a while, it says. Okay, so here's what happened when I tried to move on. Runtime error, access none, trying to read property, player controller blueprint, touch interact. I don't know. I might have messed it up because I was clicking the home key. Alright, so it looks like we have to launch the drone. Alright. Launching. Okay, now I want to return. Thank you. Go ahead and move. So, yeah, I've got a GTX 1660 and I have an AMD Ryzen 3700X, and I have 32 gigs of RAM, rated at 3200 megahertz. So that's pretty much what that gets you. This is what that gets you. And it looks like there's no way to proceed on. Before I crash the game again, I'm just gonna walk around and explore a little more because I think there's probably some more things to see. So this Megascan stuff is great if you have awesome hardware. Jeez. This really makes me want to get a 3080 because I'm sure it would just look amazing. And more RAM. Okay, let's see what happens. Maybe it'll work this time. If not, this will be the end of the video. Maybe we'll take a look at some of the internals. Oh, there it goes. In transition. Okay. Walk, hold. Wait, what? Oh, damn! That was cool, man. This is sick. This kind of excites me. I really want to get into this shit now. This game looks cool, man. Shoot, hold. Sick. Whoa. So, yeah, the IK is on point, I think. Kind of reminds me of ALS a little bit, except probably not as... I'm sure it's been written in like C++. Can we jump? Okay, so it's automatic. Auto. Okay, so shift, I don't know. I don't know what that did. Oh, I guess I was hitting wall. Invisible wall. Okay. Eesh. Yeah, like if someone wants to check this out with like current hardware, I'm sure it looks great. Shoot, walk, move. Yeah, okay. Let's try to hit that. Sick. Oh, here we go. This is the one. This is the part where that it didn't really take a lot of effort, but man, they did an amazing job. Oh my god! I mean, look at this. Look at the detail. I mean, I know the frame rate sucks ass, and I'm really sorry for that, but you can really appreciate what's going on here. So cool. All right, let's take a look at some of the blueprints. Code, if you will, what it looks like. Now that was Control Space to pull up the file menu. Let's see, splash, ancient content, blueprints, camera, character. Let's check out the character. PP Echo character. I guess that's the one that we're playing as. And we could check that in the project settings too, but I'm pretty sure this is it. So the blueprint stuff looks like they carry over pretty well. Move forward action. Okay, move right. Okay. Event possessed. Okay, so once you take over the player, you cast to the player controller. Enhanced input local player subsystem. Wow. So I think like if you want to get an idea of some of the new features of Unreal Engine 5, you can take a look at this project and get some ideas based off of it. Yeah, so the first thing that happens when you start is this function is run. We get the step size. So this must be for the IK. We find out where the floor is. Character movement, max step height, initial step height, and then large step height is set to max. Okay, then we do a find floor function. Okay, floor result, distance. Okay, so there's like an IK system kind of built in to getting pulled in from C++, which we could use almost right away. Okay, so there's that. Should start sitting. All right. Widget stuff. Interesting. Okay. Let's see. You're right. So yeah, a lot of this is being done in C++. Components, movement, character movement, world partition streaming source, motion warping, ability system, ability input binding. Okay. Let's move on to. Let's look at the animation blueprint. And I'm not really. I'm just gonna search real quick. Okay, so we got the Echo Anim BP. Hair. Her hair has its own anim blueprint. Post process, that's going to be like IK, link animation layers component. Okay. Play idle long. So that is right here. I like how it pops up and it doesn't kick you right out of the blueprint. You can just like pull up what it is you're trying to see right off the bat. So this is not running root motion. I'm sure some of the animations do require or do run it. Let's see, event graph, initialize animations. So we're getting all the references here. This is all standard stuff. Getting the player or character movement, setting that as a reference, and the echo mesh, the actual mesh of our character. Okay. We got update animation. That's pretty standard. Central movement data, local motion state. Really impressive. Okay, so here's the animation graph. This is the local motion. So wide, idle, walk to jog, idle. So it can go from idle, and then it goes back to idle, and then from there it can go back to walk. It kind of just stays in this loop because I don't see anything going back here. Wonder how that works, huh? Okay. Sorry, that was the, this is the main state. Full body layer. Wow. Okay, sitting, stand up, on the ground. Begin touching, hold touching, in air, land. Nice. So these are actually or they look like mass ground. Edit mass ground. So this is, each one of these are blueprints. Oh wow. Let's take a look at one of these. Instant static mesh. So they've got the static mesh. Instead of manually dropping in each one, it looks like they're kind of pre-built, so they can place a bunch of them into the level. And like that looks like another one. I don't know if that's the same or not. God, the level building in this looks like it took a long time. I've never been a fan of level building, level design. I'm not very good at it, and it's very time consuming. But this I give props to. I mean, holy shit. Look at that. I don't even want to pretend to know what all goes into this, but I mean, let me speed this up. Let's go. Golly, this is huge. This is stuff that you don't even like walk through, just so you can see it. You know? Really cool. Wow. I'm getting lost. Okay, well, I don't have anything else that I'm going to look at here, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video here, but I think you get a good idea. Oh, and just so you know, this is what I'm running in terms of hardware. So, yeah, AMD Ryzen 7 3700X. I only have an 8-core processor, 16 threads, 32 gigs of 3200 RAM. I am running this on, I can't remember if the one that I'm running this off of, I think it is an SSD, but that also plays a role in the performance. It's a regular SSD, I think it's just a SATA one, and then GPU, so, I mean, once you click play, it probably goes up to 100%, as you saw. Alright, that's all I got. Enjoy, guys.